Hi everyone! Welcome back to Ann Design Craft channel. Today, we will be crochet this colorful tiny fish. In this pattern, you can change any colors that you like. In any round, there has no fixed. This little cute thing can make as keychain, brooch pin, and hair clip. If you like this video, please subscribe and give a like and share. With you big support, I will have motivate to create more videos for you. Here I am using 4-ply cotton yarn and 3mm crochet hook. If you want to make it bigger size, just increase your hook sizes and yarn weight. Here you start from the head part. Make a knot is a magic ring and do 6 single crochet. Do a slip stitches when you finish a round and a chain when start on the next round. In round 1, make 1 increase and 2 single crochet. Repeat 2 times in this pattern. Total 8 stitches. In round 2, 3 single crochet and 1 increase. Repeat 2 times. Total 10 stitches. In round 3, 2 single crochet, 1 increase and 2 single crochet. Repeat 2 times. Total 12 stitches. In round 4, 1 increase and 5 single crochet. Repeat 2 times. Total 14 stitches. Now we crochet the body part. You can change whatever color that you like. In round 5 to 7, single crochet in every stitches till end. Total 14 stitches. Change to another color. In round 8 to 9, 1 single crochet in every stitches till end. Total 14 stitches. Change to another color. In round 10, 1 decrease and 5 single crochet. Repeat 2 times. Total 12 stitches. In round 11, 1 single crochet in every stitches till end. Total 12 stitches. In round 12, 2 single crochet, 1 decrease and 2 single crochet. Repeat 2 times. Total 10 stitches. Change to another color. In round 13, 1 single crochet in every stitches till end. Total 10 stitches. In round 14, 3 single crochet and 1 decrease. Repeat 2 times. A total 8 stitches. You can fill in some polyester fiber here. In round 15, 1 single crochet in every stitches till end. Total 8 stitches. Here we start to make the tail. Change the color. In round 16, 1 single crochet in every stitches till end. Total 8 stitches. In round 17, 1 increase. 2 single crochet, 2 increase, 2 single crochet, 1 increase, total 12 stitches. In round 18, 5 single crochet and 1 increase. Repeat 2 times. Total 14 stitches. Fold the tail and make 7 single crochet. Sew the eyes and some pattern on the fish. Finally, the fish crochet is done. Thumbs up and share if you like it. Thanks for watching.